Okay guys, look at this. I want to show you guys this strategy, how to catch spikes on boom and crash. All right, so this is crash 1000 and this live account. All right, so I even use this strategy to give signal on my VIP platform. I'm not joking. So we are running good profits right now as we speak. Let me show you guys my reason for this trade using this strategy, this indicator strategy. So if you are new on our channel, please, I'm about to share some top secrets with you guys. So give us a thumbs up, okay? Smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, join a free Telegram channel, share this video with friends, and hit on post notification bell to always be reminded whenever we drop a strategy like this. Okay, so this strategy has been making me good money. You can see we are running good profits. This is our entry. Though before we tried, we open on time, there was a great spike and I had to open another position again. I had to open a position after the spike up there. All right, so let me bring this up and show you guys how to make money with this strategy. All right. Thanks for everybody that has been watching and subscribing to this channel. I love you guys. Subscribing to this channel, showing me so much love. I love you guys so well. So this video won't be long, will be very short. So let me show you guys quickly because it's a very simple strategy. It's a very simple strategy. All right, so all you need to do is just listen to this video, watch it to the very end to see the indicator I'll be adding again to this strategy that will complement or tell you the market trend. All right, that tells you the market has gotten really to the overbought or the oversold zone. Okay, so yeah, so this is my reason for this is my strategy. It's very simple. We have the first zoom level here, the second zoom level. So you might use the second zoom level or you use the third zoom level, which is this one. Is all good. All right, so second or third zoom level. This strategy is to catch spikes on boom and crash. All right, catch spikes on boom and crash. Crash 1000, crash 500, boom 1000, boom 500. All right, so I've never tried catching spike with this strategy on the B300 or C300. All right, why? Because the settings, my RSI setting does not permit me to catch spikes on those assets. Okay, so I won't advise you to use it to catch spikes on those assets. All right, so now 1 minute time frame, you're still on the 1 minute time frame to buy this strategy. But when you want to use this strategy, you need to also confirm the trend of that particular asset you're trading, okay, at the moment. So I'll show you guys how to confirm the trend. All right, so the first thing you need to do will be I'll show you guys how to use this strategy and then show you guys the settings and also add the last indicator that I'm supposed to add to complement this strategy. Okay, so now we have whenever you see markets dropping back, it's a very simple strategy. Like I say, whenever you see market dropping down to this oversold level for boom, okay, for boom, oversold level for boom, what you need to do is you buy from here, the level 15, all right, or level 10. Once it touches level 15, you're opening a position. Okay, if you're about to open to one lot size, make sure that you open 0.5. When you open 0.5, it jumps. If it does not spike, then when it gets to the second level, you can open another 0.5 to make it one lot size. Right, it will spike and give you your money. Okay, then and on the main chart, this is what you need to observe on the main chart. You move to 15 minutes time frame. When you move to 15 minutes time frame, you're looking at the trend. And what's going to tell you the trend? This indicator you have here. The indicator you have here, this indicator will give the trend. All right, this green indicator tells you we are in an uptrend. You can see we have the indicator below the current candlesticks, the current price. Okay, we have it below the current price. This tells us that we are in an uptrend. So this is an uptrend. So when market goes up, it's gonna spike, keep spiking and give us more money. That's why I haven't closed, because I know that it's be spiking more and more. And this is my target right here. I've given this signal to my VIP. This is our target right here. Okay, so that is it. So now you can see the first thing is on the 1 minute time frame, you confirm that price has gotten to the oversold zone. Then on the 15 minutes time frame, you're confirming the market trend. So once you have the MA below the current price, that means that we are in an uptrend. But if the MA is above the current price, that means we are in a downtrend. In that case, it's very dangerous. It's very bad for you to sell or scalp B1000 unless you're catching spike on crash. When you have this indicator above the current price, market will be going down. That shows that market is in a downtrend, because this serves as a resistance that will be pushing price down over and over. Okay, then when it's below, that means we are in an uptrend. So it's below the current price now. That means we are in an uptrend. So it will be spiking up over and over. So we'll be experiencing another spike pretty soon. That's it. So we have those two indicators now. I have told you how to use the indicators. So if you're trading crash, you wait to sell around this overbought zone. Wait for boom, you're buying it at the oversold zone. Okay, so let me show you the settings and also show you the other candlestick, another indicator you're adding to let you understand that, okay, this confirms everything completely. All right, so the MA we're using here is MA60. All right, when I say MA60, that means the period is 60, shift is 0, method is smoothed, apply to typical price. The levels here are no levels. The color I'm using is green. You can use green as well. You click on done. Okay, then you go back again. You're adding the RSI. So on this RSI, you have the period is 16, apply to typical price. Levels here we have level 90, 85, 15, and 10. Screenshot, guys. You click on done. Then the style is black. You use black right there. You click on done. Then the next indicator we're adding will be, guys, before I go on, Academy is on. The Academy is on. People are learning forex and people are doing really good. Okay, so it's just $60 to join the Academy. And you know what? If once you subscribe, you enroll, just $60. What's going to happen is that you will also benefit from our signal. Okay, I'll add you to the VIP room so that you equally make money as you're learning. You're making money. Okay, so if I'm dropping signal, like I just dropped signal, I've given like 3 signals already this morning. We are all in good profits. When I drop signal, you will make money as well, and you'll be learning at the same time. So our class, we host our class on Zoom. Okay, Zoom call. And make sure that you have good network. That's it. I'll be there to teach you guys and also record and share the videos and PDF necessary for you. That's gonna help you grow and be successful in trading. All right, so I have so many testimony. If you join the free Telegram channel, just check the pinned messages. You see people's testimony. You know that we are not joking here. Okay, so I've been into this business for over 7 years now. I started 2017 to now is like 7 years, or let's say 6 to 7 years now. Okay, so I've experienced the market over and over, so I know what I'm doing. I'll teach you from my experience. I'll give out everything I know about trading and make sure that you become successful in trading. All right, so the Academy is just $60, and you also benefit lifetime VIP signal. So it's a promo. It's a promo which can it might stop anytime. So I'll advise you guys to join and benefit from this promo. All right, yeah. So another indicator you're adding would be Ichimoku. You're adding Ichimoku to the indicator window 1, the RSI, adding Ichimoku. So the Tenkan Sen is 7, Kijun Sen is 6, Senkun Span B is 62. You don't feel this place, you don't feel that place. You can see the first one, which is Tenkan Sen, is white down here under style, and Kijun Sen is blue. That's the only one I want to be shown on the chart. Then Sekun Span is white, up Kumo is white, down Kumo is white. I only want this Kijun Sen to be shown on the chart, which is the blue color. We click on done. Now, this also complements the RSI. Okay, it complements the RSI. You see, when markets touched this level the first time, the RSI touched the line very well, but the blue indicator here, which is the Ichimoku, did not touch the line very well. That shows that markets will be going back to this point again. You can see what it did at around this level. It gave me a good confirmation for buy. So that's the job of the Ichimoku. So make sure that you add the Ichimoku to your indicator window 1, so that once market gets to the oversold or the overbought zone, it will tell you it's time for you to buy. So you can see what is happening now. I just jump in. This is the reason I bought around this level. This is the reason I buy around this level, because my Ichimoku told me that market is coming back to this point again. Is a good entry. So I made an entry there. We are running good profits now. So that's the strategy I wanted to share. So drop some good comments in case you don't understand, or you have an idea, or you want anything that is challenging you. You can drop the comments or chat me direct. Check the description of this video. My phone number, my WhatsApp number is there, and my Telegram address is there, so you can chat me up. Let's make money, guys. That'll be all for now. Bye bye.